From refineries and power plants to planes, trains, ships, automobiles, and appliances, turbo machinery is a part of everyday life. The common denominator is energy, a key component of global sustainability. Reducing the world's carbon footprint while sustainably meeting ongoing and future energy needs requires more efficient use of traditional power sources, transition to renewable energies, and investment in new technologies. Optimizing turbo machinery performance is vital to sustainable development, and Elliott Group, a leading global turbo machinery manufacturer based in Jeannette, Pennsylvania, is committed to that effort. Turbo machinery is the critical operating machinery at the heart of many industrial processes, and small efficiency improvements can deliver enormous benefits. Elliott tackles this through design innovation, investment in new technologies, and working closely with customers to drive processing efficiencies. Elliott process compressors operate in refineries, petrochemical plants, oil and gas production, and LNG facilities around the globe. Elliott's advancements in aerodynamic, thermodynamic, and rotordynamic design improve compressor efficiency and help reduce emissions in these industrial facilities. Generators powered by Elliott steam turbines deliver reliable, efficient, and cost-effective on-site power to a wide variety of industrial, commercial, and institutional users, both on and off the grid. Combined heat and power, cogeneration, waste-to-energy, waste heat recovery, and geothermal applications provide alternative sources for clean, renewable power. Natural gas is an essential and abundant building block of a low-carbon, clean energy future. Elliott's cryogenic pumps and expanders help to safely and efficiently meet growing demands for LNG through liquefaction, transport, storage, and regasification applications that maximize production and reduce emissions. Hydrogen energy storage is a promising technology for global sustainability. It is a clean energy fuel, producing only heat and water as byproducts. Hydrogen can be used in power plants like natural gas or in fuel cells to provide power to vehicles or buildings. Elliott has developed a compressor arrangement concept that advances carbon capture and hydrogen storage applications. Global sustainable development initiatives require a variety of energy technologies that are economically viable and environmentally sustainable. These are just a few of the ways that Elliott Group is doing its part to contribute to a cleaner, sustainable future. Learn more at elliott-turbo.com.